How to turn on Duet notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Duet notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings and then click notifications, and now just scroll down until you find this one here, and then all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and as you see it have been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.